Hi, Ron Brooks from Brooks Farms. We're going to be working on this John Deere 920 Flex platform today. We're switching it over from a chain drive to a new PTO drive. Chris Wierschke of Miller Electric is going to be doing the fabricating and welding for us today.
So today, for the modifications that we're going to be doing on this piece of equipment, we're going to be using the Bobcat 250 EFI. As you can see, it fits nicely in the back end of this John Deere Gator. It's a multi-process machine. Today we're going to be using stick welding for the most part, and then the generator power as well. To start the project, we're going to cut off a couple hex shafts and really get the modifications rolling.
Now that we've got the hex shaft removed, the next process will be grinding and prepping the new weld area. Chris will be grinding this groove in. This is a bolt groove in that shaft, and he will taper the ends so it'll look like this. He'll also be grinding that tube where we're going to place the bearing holder on there and weld the bearing holder on. He'll grind all the old paint off so he can weld it. Now that Chris has this surface prepped, we're going to be welding this bracket on the flex head, and we'll be doing the identical thing on the other side. We're as well as tack welding a collar so that shaft can't slide off. Partway through, it started to rain, so we had to bring the project inside, and that just demonstrates the versatility of the Bobcat 250 EFI and the portability that we have, where we can work inside, we can work outside. We can take this welder wherever we need to take it to get the work done. So today we accomplished quite a bit. We got this header switched over from the old double chain drive to the new PTO drive. To do that, we had to cut off the hex shafts. We had to mount the bearing holder brackets on, we had to mount the retainer brackets, and then we had to weld all those. And part of the reason, and then we also had to weld a little collar on the shaft, so we had to switch to the Multimatic 200 flux core because it was such thin material. For more tips and how-to videos, go to millerwelds.com.